Hey everyone, my name is Chase, and I'll be showing you guys how to use one of Canva's AI-based tools. The one that I'm going to be demonstrating is Canva's Magic Design for Video. To locate this tool, you have to start on Canva's homepage, and then go to Magic Studio on the left side of your screen. Once you're there, you have to go to Magic Design for Video, and you have to click it and go to Try Magic Design. Once you are there, you have to select 3 images or videos, and then you have to give it a prompt. I will give it the following. And then you hit enter, and then it gives you a video. The video will have audio and words over the images. This is how Canva's Magic Design for Video works. Thanks for watching.